both of them are on. Both of them at the same time. Guys, this is crazy fishing there. Look at this.
We are on our way to the...
We are going to the Palkies.
to go catch some fish. They have this catch and release thing going on at the Palkies. Palkies is in Walvis Bay. Okay, so this place is... Oh, look at that. You can't actually enter here without a permit. So you have to get a permit to make sure you have a permit to come here.
You can go to Palkies, but you can't go past, like Sandwich Harbour side. You're not allowed to.
Okay, so we show you what we're gonna do today. Okay, we're stopping here because Dada's gonna fix the 4x4. He's gonna blast the tires with a gun, like he's gonna blast the tires with a gun.
The 4x4, you have to blow your tires because the sand is very soft.
So you must just make it a little bit puffy here.
Yeah, it must, so that you can have traction.
Traction for the action. We're gonna go all the way that side, but there is very, very thick sand. I tell you, very thick. We are going to dock off here. There's quite a few people that side. They caught some fish already, but this is a catch and release. So whatever we catch, we have to release because we're at the Sandwich Harbour. And Annie is here. What's up, Annie? Here by the ocean. There's Tristan. Don't know what he's doing. He's doing something. Whatever he's doing. Our tent got wet. So I'm trying to make it dry. It's almost dry. It got wet because the cooler box fell inside with all the ice. Oh my gosh. I know Dada's gonna throw. Woo. Let's see, maybe we're gonna catch some fish.
A few inches later.
Kapalyo? Woo. Wow, what's that? No. Wow! Oh, we have to catch it and release it. Oh man! Ah! Okay, so we got a fish.
Gabriel, but you have to give it back.
How big is that? This is my hand. We got a caballo, but we have to catch and release it.
Catch and release.
So whatever we catch, we're gonna release because we are preserving the fish. That was a big one. How many centimeters then?
That was maybe like 60 centimeters.
So that is catch and release. That's how we do it here. We have to give the fish back to the ocean so that it can grow much bigger. That's over there. We're gonna see if we're gonna get another catch fish and release. And are you catching something?
And they've been catching fish and releasing the whole time. It's constantly. I think the one's got already 9, the other one's got 7. So we're just gonna watch them catch and release, catch and release. It's ridiculous the way that the fish is going. Yeah.
Oh, no worries. Excellent. No worries. Yeah. So that means stop fooling around.
Yeah. Take the real McCoy. Yeah. Check it out. See how they catch Both of them are on. Both of them at the same time. Guys, this is crazy fishing there. Look at this. Massive, massive. Oh, nice. And what we do, catch and release. And he just takes it by the side because it's kabeljau, and then he puts it back in the water. There we go. Now there's another one on the hook. He's on again. It's crazy here, guys. I'm done with the one and the other one is on. He was on just now, he's on again. It's ridiculous. It's crazy fishing, man. He's fighting this fish for a while now. I think it's a massive fish. Let's see. Excellent fish coming out. He's been fighting this fish for 10 minutes now.
Guys, we have the sandwich over. Multi-side. These guys are doing catch and release. We did a catch and release. We got one. Mari got one fish.
These guys are professional.
And these guys are pros.
Really. Massive. Look at this kabeljau, guys. Look at this kabeljau. Wow. Massive.
Okay, we're releasing it back.
Catch and release in the 8 bells. That's okay, it's okay. So the fish will swim back, swimming back itself. There it goes. It's gone. There it swims.
This bait is done.
Wow.
I'll throw it one more time.
So you're catching with the same bait, right?
I've caught 2 fish on the same bait now.
2 fish on the same bait. Lee got 2 fish so far on the same bait. That's how fast these fish bites.
I mean, there's nothing left of that.
Oh, wow.
I'll do it again.
Dada.
They are on a different level as me. I caught 1 fish in 2 hours. They catch 10 fish in an hour. It's ridiculous. Every 5 minutes. It's as quick as they can throw in. That's how fast they can pull the fish out. This couple, the cop run in Namibia, it's crazy. It's ridiculous. The cop here, they bite on sardine, calamari or choca, white mussel, but today sardine is the preferred bait for the cop. I think they just like it. Cop in Namibia is called kabeljau, but it's a delicacy, a nice fish. But like I said, today we're just doing catch and release.
You want to slide? Hey.
A spin slide.
Okay. Oh, awesome. Guys, if you are here and they do catch and release and then you see it in action, they get like 5, 6, 7 of them. Just like that. Okay, let's have a look. How many can they still make and take and get? Normally you get a lot of fish. You just catch it and then you release it. Because at the moment there's a cop run. They call it a cop run. Yeah. So let's see. Oh, it's artificial.
Actie wat op zijn sterk ligt. Bakjes voor die water.
Slide, Danny, slide! Okay, let's see him again. In action.
This comes here to breed, and that's why they put a precaution thingy in where it says that you can only catch it, but you must release.
You have to release
You
it.
have to. I think in 2 or 3 years they were going crazy and catching 7, 8, 9, which is crazy. And then the ministry saw, I think, and then they said, okay, no, it's enough. Should have seen there was more than that day I think more than 600-700 fish went out. It was wild. So he's been catching the whole day, but releasing all the fish. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We appreciate it. Bye. See you.
Are you going?
Bye. We're going. Say bye.
I want you to stay.
Must we stay? I'll see you again. Okay, bye. Thank you. Okay, guys. So we just finished the catch and release. Checking if we can get white mussels. And they dug already a lot. So it's my turn. Look at that. Let's see what's in the bucket. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. It's Annie's idea to catch mussels, so we're getting mussels.
Mommy, just put your hands in. They're everywhere. I'm making soup tonight.
What?
They're making soup.
We are making mussel soup tonight.
soup.
You got some? So this is the time that they go in. So you do this, you dive. Water, water, water! Woo! Ah!
They're easy. They're everywhere. I found a big one. Well, it's a kind of big one, yeah.
Wow! Look at those. Oh, oh! There's one in my foot! There's one in my foot! There's one in my foot, Annie! Hold, hold, hold! Hold!
Hold the bucket, hold the bucket. Nice one.
It fell out! Digging for mussels, white mussels.
Oh, this one's probably out.
Huh?
This one's tongue was out.
The tongue was out.
We're making soup tonight, yay!
What, Dada? Old age.
This one gets the digging. This one gets the digging.
Yeah.
I found a cluster. I found like a billion of them. It's fine, Dada. We got food.
We got food!
You want to go that down in
Dada, Dada, water, Dada! I said, Dada, water. Oh, I was thinking here's a big one, but it's empty.
This one tried to run away from me.
Now you know how to get one. Oh, there's one here, Tristan! Tristan! Here, here, here!
I can't.
Ah, it ran away. Oh, that's a big one.
Put some water in there.
Huh?
Put some water in there. You don't like that, okay?
Are you done? You are all weird. Okay, I'm gonna catch one. I'm gonna catch one. Oh, I'm gonna get one.
Let's put your hands in. Dig in. Just dig in. Just dig in. Move it, move it, move it, move it.
I got one! I got one. Wait.
The deeper you go, the more you get.
There's a baby.
Take the baby.
Hey, where's the thing? I'm getting one. I got two.
Guys, this is the carp run in Namibia. It was excellent. We had Lee and everybody that caught some fish. Excellent. It's like this every year. So yeah, have a nice time. Bye for now.